Hi guys, today we're going to be taking you guys through Infogram, which is an easy site that you guys can use to make informational infographics about a particular topic. So let's throw it up here and let's show you guys how to log into this site and how you can access some of the free features. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to infogram.com. This link should have also been shared with you guys on Schoology. When you get to this site, whether it's through the link or you just do a quick Google search, you're going to want to go over here to Get Started in the upper right hand corner. And when you get to this screen, I think the easiest way to move forward from here is to use your Google account stuff through the school. So easiest thing to do is go over here to the Sign Up with Google button. Click on that. It will give you your Google accounts, and I'm going to use my eTown Schools account. And then from there, it's going to ask you a couple different series of questions. You can see for me, I already have an account set up, so mine took a little quicker than it probably will for you guys. Big thing though, stick with the free account. Just kind of answer the basic questions. They'll ask you stuff like, what are you using this for? You can just hit something. I think one of the features is education, and then it might ask you something like, are you a teacher, a student, a principal? From there, you can kind of answer those basic survey questions. But once you get through all of that, it will take you to this page, and from here, you'll be able to click what project you want to work on. So we want to work on an infograph today. And then from there, you're going to get all kinds of different templates and different features that you guys can pick from. And I'll just kind of, for kind of random sake, you can preview them. And I'll just click on this one. You can see, oh yeah, this is one that I like, or this is one I don't like. And you can kind of move on from there. And let's just say, for the sake of argument, I want to go into, let's say, this one. And you can see that one is one of the ones that comes with their premium account. So make sure you guys are doing your due diligence that as well. If you see that upgrade button up in the upper right hand corner, that's not going to be one that you're going to be able to use for that project. So I'll go back to some of these free ones here. And let's say I just click on this one. Yeah, I'll use this template. And then I would say keep it public on the web. That way it makes it a little easier for you to submit. And we can throw it in just a random title. I'm just going to put test. And then it will take you to your workspace. And then from there, you can get an idea of how to change the text, how to change some of the imagery. You can add, delete, move stuff around, manipulate it. Over here, you're going to see different features that you can add in to try to make your infograph a little more unique and special. And also over here, you're going to see some feature materials that will help you guys change color, size of your text, your images, different things like that, add animation, different cool features that you can kind of play around with as you go. Now, when you're ready to submit this project, there are two ways you can submit. One, you could go up here to the share button, and you'll see your finished project over there on the side. And what I would suggest, since it is public, you can go down here to the view online, and you can just click on that. And you can either use the share button here, might be easier, copy that link, and then you can submit that through Schoology. The other method that you can use, and I'll kind of back up here a second to our project, is you can hit download. And you can see that with high quality stuff, stuff like a JPEG, things like that, it does say upgrade to download. So that was a feature that previously, when I had used this site, it was free, but as you can see, they've kind of done away with that. So I would say your best option is to go ahead and use that share button, copy that link, and share it directly via Schoology. That way, I'll be able to open your work and take a look at it. If you guys have any questions on how to use this site, what it's all about, please reach out via email, and we will see you guys next time.